Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be discussing about classification of tea. First is green tea or unfermented tea. There are three principles that are involved in the manufacture of green tea are steaming or pan firing, rolling and drying. The most important biochemical changes to occur during steaming are inactivation of the enzyme polyphenol oxidase so that the catechin remain unoxidized, preserving the green color to the leaf. What happened during the oxidation of tea leaves is that polyphenol oxidase is responsible to change the catechin either into thiarubicin or thiaflavin, especially in black tea, so that the green color of the leaf is converted into either red, brown or black color. But in case of green tea, steaming is done which inactivated the polyphenol oxidase so that the catechin remain unoxidized and the green color of the leaf is preserved. Now, second is oolong tea or semi-fermented tea. In oolong tea, partial fermentation of leaves is done by delayed heating. Process involved is withering, rotating, partial fermentation, pan frying and drying. Withering means to dry the leaves or to reduce the moisture content of the leaves. Then rotating and partial fermentation is done. Pan frying and drying is done to halt the process of fermentation. Next is white tea. White tea is like a green tea and it is not oxidized, but white tea have a lighter and more mellow flavor. Fourth one is yellow tea. Process is similar to green tea but with a slower drying phase. Now the fifth is black tea. Black tea is also known as fermented tea. There are various operations that include in black tea processing. The first one is harvesting. Usually terminal bud and two leaves are plucked. Second one is withering. Withering means to reduce the moisture content of the leaves or to dry the leaves partially. Second one is rolling. In rolling, there are basically two methods. First method is known as orthodox method. In orthodox method, leaf is subjected to rolling so that the juices are released. This allows the juice to mix with the cellular enzyme in presence of oxygen and the fermentation process begins. Second is CTC method. It is also known as crush, tear and curl method, in which the severe rupturing of leaf cell is done. The third process is fermentation. In fermentation, PPO enzyme in tea bring about the oxidative changes in catechin. Catechin, it is a polyphenolic compound in presence of PPO is converted to thiaflavin and thiarubicin to converted the color of green tea into red brownish color. Next is firing or drying. Firing or drying is done to halt the fermentation process by inactivating the enzyme and moisture content is reduces from 60% to less than 4%. Fifth is grading and sorting, in which various sieves are used so that we can get the different grades of the tea. Sixth is packaging and storage. For bulk transport, tea chests are used and other packaging material include various paper, two pile of craft paper with an additional layer of aluminum foil, etc. These are used for the packaging of tea. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.